We are researchers from the University of Utah, and we're conducting a study called CUSP. Your school has agreed to participate in helping us learn more about contact patterns among students. This presentation will prepare you for our upcoming visit. We're trying to figure out how to keep people from getting sick with the flu. Every year, as many as 40% of school-age students get the flu. We need help from students in schools all across Utah to figure out how to keep so many from getting sick. We need to learn more about the contacts that students have during the day, like at school and at their different activities in and out of school. For this study, the kinds of contact that matter are the people you talk to in person, hang out with, or touch. We want to know about things that students do at school, at home, or at the park. Anywhere you have contact with other students and adults. We also want to know a little more about who students have contact with, such as whether it is with other students in a group or if it's a mix of adults and students. We will be asking students from your school to help us collect data using some surveys. Each of you will receive a packet to take home that contains 2 surveys.
In your take-home packet, you will find a letter for your parents to read, a letter for you to read, and 2 booklets. The activity survey will ask you questions regarding activities you take part in outside of school. It will also ask you a few questions about who lives with you. For every activity survey we receive, we will give $1 to your school. The 2-day contact log will take you about 15 minutes each day to complete. This log will ask you the initials of people you came in contact with during your day and a few questions about them. If you complete the log and return it, you will receive a $15 gift card to either iTunes, Barnes & Noble, or Target. You can choose by checking which one you would like to receive on the front of the cover. Please complete all contact information in both booklets so that we can mail your gift card to you. You may return your packet in a box that will be in the front office, or you may use the envelope to mail it to us, postage paid. If you complete and return the 2-day contact log and the activity survey, you will also have a chance to win an iPod Touch. One winner will be selected from your school from among those who have returned them.
With the information we gather from the activity survey and the 2-day contact log, we'll know more about the contact patterns of students. That is, how often students spend time near each other, near other people, and what they're doing when they're spending time with one another. We'll enter all that information to a computer and create simulations to get a look at all the different connections there are between students, and then see what happens if we try different interventions to stop the spread of the flu. With all of the data from the logs and surveys and the simulations that we run, we'll be able to share information with doctors, schools, public health workers, and students about how to keep the flu germs from spreading. So just as a reminder, you will receive a packet that contains a 2-day contact log that you can get a $15 gift card for completing, and an activity survey that can get your school $1 for completing. If you return both booklets completed by the given deadline, you'll have a chance to win an iPod Touch. Thank you so much for taking part in the CUSP study. If you have any questions, please contact a CUSP team member using the information on the opt-out letter. See you soon!